Good morning, students. So, today we will start the next topic, which is the last topic of this chapter, is India and its neighbors. So, here it has written examine the location map of India, figure 1.2. So, here you can see in figure number 1.2 the exact location of India. Okay, so students, I'm sure you all know there are 7 continents, and in the world, you can see on the map area wise the largest continent is Asia. Here you can see Asia, and India is located in center part of Asia. But there is a question कि इंडिया को इस लोकेशन का क्या बेनिफिट है. सो इंडियन ओशन में सबसे बड़ी जो कोस्ट लाइन है इंडिया की है, सबसे बड़ी कोस्ट लाइन. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई ओशन situated in Indian south portion. Here you can see, just color change कर देते हैं. Here you can see ocean in the south portion. Okay, this is called Indian Ocean. There is a landmark, India's southern portion का landmark है. 3 oceans से covered है. Okay, here you can see 3 oceans. It is covered by 3 oceans. One is Bay of Bengal. Here you can see Bay of Bengal, and here you can see Arabian Sea. Okay, and Indian Ocean. These 3 oceans are covered of the southern part of India. So west coast से अफ्रीका यूरोप से connected है. अगर if we see east and west, so here you can see it's connected with Africa and Europe. East, if we can see from east coast, it is South Asia, okay, and ईस्ट एशिया से कनेक्ट है. सो इंडिया अदर कंट्रीज़ के साथ सिर्फ लैंड रूट से ही नहीं बल्कि सी रूट से भी कनेक्टेड है. यू कैन सी हेयर सी रूट्स. इट इज़ इंडिया इज़ कनेक्टेड विद अदर कंट्रीज थ्रू द सी रूट्स ऑल्सो. ओके, India, you can see here land route as well as connected with sea routes. Sea routes were used when technology was introduced, because before that it was not introduced. But after technology was introduced, सी रूट्स का भी यूज़ होने लगा. उससे पहले लैंड रूट्स के कारण ही जो आइडियाज़ एंड कमोडिटीज़ एक्सचेंज किया जाता था. क्लियर. सो नेक्स्ट इज वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द कंट्रीज़. ओके, so here you can see, students, India shared its land boundaries with 9 countries. Okay, how many countries? 9 countries. Land boundaries. Okay, first is Pakistan and Afghanistan from northwest, and China, Nepal, Bhutan from northeast, and from east you can see Bangladesh, Myanmar, and from south portion neighbor countries are some of the island countries. Okay, Maldives, Sri Lanka, which is Maldives is situated in south of Lakshadweep. So these are the neighbor countries. Total 9 countries are there which are the neighbor countries of India. And you can see on the map India is separated from India. If I show you the map of India, you can see here it is separated from which country? Sri Lanka is separated from India, because of Gulf of Mannar. Here you can see Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait. How India has maintained the connection with other countries. Similarly, India is closely connected with its neighbor countries also. So students, this chapter is over here, and I hope you all understood, because these all topics you have studied already in the previous classes. Okay, फिर भी if you have any doubts you can confirm. Thank you so much, students.